The laws of karma teach us that you can go beyond the planetary positions, you can go beyond the pain, the suffering that continues to repeat in your life. And that can only happen through karma. Namaste everyone, I am Chandresh Bhardwaj, and today I'll be sharing why understanding of karma is going to be life changing for your purpose, healing, relationships, and all that you do on a daily basis. By the end of this video, you will have a meditation guidance on how to dissolve your karmic contracts and make your life better and meaningful. Karma gets a lot of hate. I feel a lot of people look at karma as some sort of punishment system, and a lot of people define karma as something who's always after you, watching your actions and constantly punishing you in every possible way. But what if I tell you karma is the single most powerful thing that can turn around your life? If you are into astrology, you'll notice that astrology is nothing but a rough guide map of your life. It cannot decide what will happen next moment. Your karma decides what will happen next moment. Astrology can only pinpoint a certain map, a certain direction. How you arrive at that destination will always be in your actions, in your willpower. The laws of karma teach us that you can go beyond the planetary positions, you can go beyond the pain, the suffering that continues to repeat in your life. And that can only happen through karma. Karma is the conscious choice making process. What we miss in understanding of the karma is the karmic contract that we come across on a daily basis. Karmic contract is exactly how it sounds like. It's a contract of a certain action, of a certain energy exchange that we share with people. If you are unconscious about your karmic contract with people, then similar actions, similar scripts will keep repeating through different people. And you'll notice you come across same kind of relationship problems, same kind of failure in business, same kind of drama, just the faces of people are different. That happens because we fail to understand what is the karmic contract in this whole situation. You cannot solve that karmic contract until you understand that it exists. So first thing to understand is you got to watch and witness certain consistent patterns that keep showing up, and then start inviting the guidance in your meditation. How can I dissolve this contract? How can I go beyond this contract? And that will involve some really tough actions, because you are rewriting a complete new contract. You are going into a completely new sacred system now, which would mean disappointing some people, which could mean you may have to be consciously disobedient to the belief systems, to the narrative of the culture. You have to disappoint plenty of parties in this process, but that's something you need to do. Inviting conscious contract involves courage, patience, discipline, and trust in the process. So, in addition to watching the patterns and taking the right actions, there's one particular meditation practice you can consistently do, and hopefully that will help. The karmic contracts are very much settled around our navel center, because navel center is considered the bridge toward higher consciousness. It's the root energy reservoir where the creative courage, our expression, the healing, the anxiety, the suppressed energy lives. So when you meditate, bring trust, compassion, love around the navel center. Go through inhaling, holding, and exhaling of the breath for a good few minutes. When you're doing holding of the breath, just watch the body. Watch the body releasing all the unknown karmic contracts that might be holding you back. And once the inhaling, holding, and exhaling is over, you could recite a very simple mantra. Vam Room is one of those simple mantras. I've shared Vam Room in the live videos in the podcast many times. Vam Room is a sound vibrational based mantra. When you consciously repeat it, it starts to hammer down the tight knots around the navel. You can start by saying it out loud and then slowly going quieter with it, and then completely being silent and just feeling the vibrations of warm room hitting on your navel center. Do it every day for 20 to 30 minutes, and you will see the difference. If this video resonates with you, join me on Instagram where I share daily tips on how to deepen your healing, how to go beyond the karmic contracts. And of course, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel. Thank you.